Hi guys, today I'm gonna be playing It's Banana Gamer, and today, hi Banana Friends, it's Banana Gamer, and today I'm gonna be playing some Brookhaven, and looks like these are the updates. New Town Hall, new Mayor's Office, Courtroom Office Building, etc. 3 new tools, Student Driver Vehicle, Performance Updates for older devices. Okay, so I forgot what the updates were. I think they should be here somewhere, the updates. It was a student driver, so let's check in here. There's no student driver thing. Oh, here it is. So I'll be a student driver today. I can change the student driver to something else. Ooh, I'm gonna be a pizzeria. Pizza. Yay! And I'll make the car pink. I want to make it a light pink. Oh no, that's way too dark. What is that? Huh? Okay, this is weird. I want to make it a light pink, not lavender. I'm going into lavender by accident. You know what? I'm just going to keep that. That looks like a light pink. So it's at a new mayor's office. There's something up there. Ooh, what's that? Looks like Lila's office? Lila's office? Okay. Wow, the mayor's office. Lila. Hi. I am having problems with my car. Let's see what she says. Ah. Hello, excuse me. Looks like Lila. Lila, excuse me. Hello, Lila. It's Lila's office, but I don't want. Oh, I can change it. But why is Lila not talking to me? Lila. 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 Okay, got to do that. Ah! Lila! Ah! Lila! Oh my God! Come on, Lila, talk to me. Lila! Lila! Finally. Yes, I am having problems with my car. I need help. Let's get out. What? You are the mayor. You can't say I can't. You can't say get out. Can't say get out. Lila. Oh, no, she said no, what did she say? No, she said Lila works for Dylan Architecture. So no, you need help. No, I'm not the mayor. Who is? Is the mayor's office. This girl doesn't know that this is the mayor's office. She works for Dylan. Still don't know who she is. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. Trust me. It says new mayor's office update. I don't get it. Why does it not say mayor's office anymore? It is. Lila doesn't know. Where's town hall? Where's that? Come on, where is that? Text, where is that? Oh, this music is so loud. Come on, tell me. Dylan's architecture? Huh? What is she saying? Blank. Follow me. Okay. Okay, looks like I'm following her to town hall. I'm having problems with my pizza car. I need it. Are you sure this is town hall? Oh my god. Wow. OMG. Okay, get off. OMG. Look at this. This is literally, oh my god, voting, driver's license. Wow, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Wow. I have a driver's license. I have a driver. Oh, what's this? Driver's license test. Just like that. Wow, I'm gonna just explore this. Oh my god. Let's see. This is so amazing. They have a pool. Oh my god, I love pools. Oh wow, let's just check out this mayor's office. FBI, paranormal activity. What does that do? Okay, I'm a pizza person, but let's go ahead and check up upstairs. Let's see where the nearest offices are. Oh, right there. This is town hall. Okay, I gotta get in. Where's the Brookhaven? I don't want this to be the Brookhaven mayor. I'm the Brookhaven mayor. Okay, fine. I don't want to be the Brookhaven mayor. Can I not be the Brookhaven mayor? Okay. Okay. What? Hairs? Huh? What? Clothes? Okay, guys. There's something fishy about this. Wow. Oh my god, it's dark. Okay. Wow, town hall. Town hall is nice, but there's no office here. Where's that girl? I need to go back. Something's wrong with my pizza car. I don't want to have a pizza car. Where is it? Someone drove it away. Huh. There. No car. Oh my god. Let's hop on this. Okay. I'm going back. Where's the mayor's office? I'm going back to the mayor's office and talking to that girl because there is literally nothing. I'm coming up here again. Lila! There was no office. Okay, wait, the lights. Doesn't have to be Lila's office. Office. There. I need to talk to the mayor. Come on. I need to talk to the mayor. Where is the mayor? I need to talk to the mayor. Okay. Club Brooks. Oh, it's closed. What is she saying? That's the mayor's office. Okay, let's go ahead then. We're gonna go down to the mayor's office again. To make sure this guy's not here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, my pizza truck didn't work out. This is just weird, guys. I need to talk to the mayor, but this girl says that there's no such thing as a mayor. Well, there is a mayor. Let's check out some new borders. I can't get this one. It doesn't let me get the abandoned city because I think I need to get this badge. Let's see. Oh, the Dakota Trail. Oh, I really want Horse Trail. Come on, I want a horse trail. Come on. The only one. This guy. Like. Is so. Okay, we got some Brookhaven City here. Wow. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's check out if we can actually go to the city. No, I want this. All right. Let's go ahead and see if we can actually go inside the city. Because why would there be cities there then? Huh? What? Oh, we can, but okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of Brookhaven. Yeah, this is just a mayor video. Bye. Bye.